Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Søren and I'm a student assistant at Strategirummet. And in this video I would like to show you how to operate and how to navigate the visualization tool that is a part of the platform. In different energy accounts there are a lot of numbers, and therefore this visualization tool is very important since it gives some structure to the energy system, to where the energy enters, exits, and where it converts form. You also gain knowledge surrounding the dimension of the different sizes of the different energy forms. The visualizations tool is based upon the Energy Together format. And if you want to learn more about the Energy Together format, I would recommend that you watch the video Learn the Energy Together format. In this video, I however would like to show you how the visualization tool works and its different possibilities. Once you are upon this website, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here you can see different kinds of energy accounting visualizations. Yours should say something like companies, areas, and data documentation, and lastly, education. If you click upon the education at the bottom, you can see different possibilities here. You can click upon the visualization guide. Once you're here, you'll see two different documents. One is for the World 2017 CO2, and the other is for World 2017 different energy forms. Click upon this last one. Once you have clicked upon the link, this information box will pop up. In this video, I will go through what is inside this box, so for now I'll just close it up. Upon the first look, this is the most simple format where energy flow is shown. It is possible in your browser to go up and zoom in or zoom out if you want the boxes to be bigger or smaller. If we start by looking at the bottom, we can see the different forms of energy. In this simple presentation, it is shown as primary energy fuels, non-fuel primary energy, secondary energy, and as losses. We can use a mouse over effect on the different icons. This results in a highlight and showing the values connected. For example, in the losses, I can use this mouse over effect, and as explained, we can see the different values connected to the losses. In this energy system, we firstly have the entry fuels, followed by the transportation of these primary energy fuels, which either goes directly to the exit energy or into the conversion process. In the conversion process, the primary fuel gets turned into secondary energy, which then goes through another transportation process, from where it afterwards can be used by consumers in the exit energy. Furthermore, we also have the non-fuel primary energy in the top boxes. This is the renewable energies. The renewables, which is grid connected, as shown here, goes into the conversion process and then gets turned into secondary energy. The renewables, which is not grid connected, goes directly into the consumers in the exit energy and hereby outside of this transportation box, since they are not grid connected. Let's say if we want to learn more about the primary energy fuels, which is this icon down here, we can double click upon it to get more details. This will lead you to here, and here you can see more details surrounding the different form of primary energies. And here we can see that the primary energies are split up into fossil fuels, nuclear, and biofuels. We can once again click upon the fossil fuels. A little notation here is that if you can see this small number just above the icon, it means that you can go into more details. I will now double click on it, and then we are here. Then we can see that the fossil fuels consist of coal, crude oil, and natural gas. I can once again use the mouse over effect on, for instance, let's say coal, to get more details about coal throughout the energy system. I can now click upon this button to the left to go backwards. It is also possible to go into more details about the non-fuel primary energy and also the secondary energy. It is also possible to go into more details inside these different boxes. For instance, if I want to learn more about this exit energy box, I can click upon this plus icon to go one level deeper. And now I'm inside this exit energy box. Let's say I want to learn more about this other box. There is this arrow pointing downwards, which means I can go into a level deeper. If I click upon this, I can see what the other box consists of. And now let's say we want more detail surrounding which forms of secondary energy goes into, let's say, residential. Then I can double click upon the secondary energy down here, and then I get more details surrounding, for instance, electricity going into residential, and also heat and oil products. And here again, it is also possible to use the mouse over effect on, for instance, electricity, to get more details surrounding the exact numbers. If I now just go backwards once again, you can also see that there are some different eye icons in these boxes. Within these eye icons there are placed some different notes. Let me show you. If I click upon this eye icon in the entry fuels, I will come into this video explaining the entry fuels and what they consist of. I will now close it up again. This means that if you have an energy account in the Energy Together format, it is possible to place different notes in the different boxes. This could be if there is something the readers should be made especially aware of. At the bottom here, we can also see the total losses occurring throughout the system. This is just a learning example. I will now also like to show you how it actually looks. You can see that this system is from the start already a bit more complex. We already have all the boxes unlocked, and there's a lot more details already from the start. But the principle of this is exactly the same. I can, for instance, still go up to the exit energy and go into the boxes and then go to other to see the same as before. The principle is exactly the same, it's just a bit more complex. But now you're ready to try and experiment with these different systems. Good luck.